Hello and welcome back to the channel. Take a moment to look at this landscape. This is Guizhou, China, a region considered one of the most rugged and uneven places on earth. The locals have a very fitting saying for it, 地无三尺平. It literally means there is no 3 feet of flat land. But what if I told you that this green maze of endless peaks and deep canyons was once something entirely different? A vast, boundless blue ocean. How did Guizhou complete this incredible transformation from deep sea to towering mountains? Today, let's unlock this epic geological secret of this long journey. To understand the peaks of today, we have to travel back to the distant Triassic period. Back then, Guizhou wasn't land at all. It was submerged beneath the ancient Tethys Ocean. This warm, calm sea was teeming with strange marine life, like sea lilies and ichthyosaur. Their remains, along with calcium carbonate from the seawater, constantly ran down onto the seafloor, stacking up immense deposits, layer upon layer. This material accumulated to be thousands of meters thick, forming the key ingredient of Guizhou's mountains, limestone. This ancient ocean was essentially the building site for the future peaks. The perfectly preserved marine fossils we find in Guizhou today are the most direct proof of that blue memory. However, the ocean was not destined to remain calm forever. Over the next millions of years, immense plate collisions were brewing deep beneath the surface. The driving force behind this shift was the famous Himalayan orogeny. When the Indian and Eurasian plates collided fiercely, the immense pressure didn't just create the world's highest mountains, it rippled thousands of kilometers away to Guizhou. This force acted like a giant jack, lifting the entire horizontal limestone foundation thousands of meters up, ending Guizhou's marine era and establishing it as the plateau we know today. The mountains has risen, but the final no flat land required an artist to complete. Water. Guizhou's climate is humid and sees heavy rainfall, and its core is that soluble limestone. This unique combination gave rise to one of the most incredible landscapes on earth, karst topography. For millions of years, the rain and rivers acted like countless precise tools, seeping into the rock fractures, dissolving and carving. On the surface, the water sliced the plateau into thousands of isolated peak forests, and underground, it dissolved massive caves, subterranean rivers, tiankeng, the giant sinkholes. This is the secret of Guizhou's mountain. Every single peak is a residual of a multi-million-year-long battle between rock and water. On a geological scale, there is an idiom that perfectly describes this epic shift in Mandarin. 沧海桑田. It literally means the deep blue sea changes into mulberry fields, signifying vast, dramatic transformation over time. From the deep blue ocean to today's green mountains, Guizhou showcases the planet's most dramatic ability to change. The next time you gaze upon these endless peaks, remember that you're quite literally standing on the top of an ancient ocean. Nature's epic story never stops. What else about this incredible geological history are you curious about? Let me know in the comments below.